Okay guys, we're gonna head out into the radio room. It is the Radio Shack. So because I make a lot of noise in the house, Wendy scooted me out to the Radio Shack 2 years ago. So it's way over there beyond those palm grove.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, and I didn't really want to go out there at first.
You love it.
But I love the Radio Shack out there. So Wendy built the Radio Shack. It's an 8x8 Radio Shack. Oh, look at Wendy's
No, not really.
making some cookies too. Look at this. I'm married to Mrs. Homemaker, and she's making some shitkin. So anyway, so I'm going to head out into the rain to the Radio Shack. And the Radio Shack, it's kind of a crappy day out there today, but you know, we need the rain. It's been very dry. So let's head out and see if we can work some more DX. I've actually worked quite a few stations. I'm using different radios today. And I've worked some on the unit in Bearcat, worked New Zealand, and lots of US stations. And worked some on the 2970 DX RCI. There's the Yagi pointed into the southeast. Here's what we're looking at here, liquid sunshine. Liquid sunshine coming down. Watering our palm garden. Watering the palm garden, man, that's what we like. Palm trees love it. You know, I just hit them with Miracle Grow too. So I went and got some Miracle Grow this morning, and I did a nice Miracle Grow. So everything's really happy in this jungle garden. Really, really happy. And a lot of the palms are going to be coming into bloom soon. I can see the flower spathes popping out there out of the trunk. That's a female. That one gets a lot of fruit on it. All right, guys, let's head into the shack and see where we can talk. I got the TRC 458 on right now, so my old school TRC 458. See the flower spats on that one, right there. That's a male. Lots of bamboo. Lots of exotic I hear on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. So this is where I broadcast from. Oh, by the way, for those of you just tuning in, and I always do this, the Radio Shack is there. That's that little shake building right there. Garden shed beside it. Got my chainsaw, Z-bike and stuff in there. And there's the beam up there. Yagi, 3-element Yagi, 26 foot to the boom. Serio. And got an antenna up there. That's a Sigma Venom IMAX 2000. And then 100 feet away, I have an Antron 99. Okay, guys. You ready for this? So this rain is really good because, like I say, it's been so dry. Don't have to water the garden. Been watering every day. It's very lush in here. So we're going to head into the shack and see what's going on. And I'm pushing 350 horsepower through this thing right here. So let me get my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. And relay switch has gone in this, so I gotta get it by hand here. CQ, CQDX, CQDX, 791, 791, Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Pretty quiet out there. There's not a lot of skip coming in. Let's see, 40. CQ, CQDX, CQDX, 791, 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Really quiet. Quieter now than it was before. CQ, CQDX, CQDX. This is 791, 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific. Gotta wipe the water off. Wipe the water up. How about that Tennessee station? You copy 791, 791. We're trying. Gulf Islands, North Pacific, QSX. Sounding good, Tennessee. Sounding good from the volunteer state. We're out here off the far Pacific coast of Canada, and I got you Q5, my friend. Yeah, bring her back, Tennessee. We got you in there. We don't have the greatest conditions right now. It's pretty quiet on the band, but you're definitely making a trip here to the Pacific coast of Canada, QSL. All right, 382 Tennessee. Have a good one, buddy, and thanks for coming back to me on this quiet day. Cheers and 73s and happy DXing. And we'll listen for you again. 9 Alpha Tango 791, Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. We're QSX. Working, but like I say, it's quiet. So this is my radio room, folks, the Radio Shack. Hey, 50 Louisiana, we got you in there again, man. 50 Louisiana, 791 Gulf Islands, North Pacific, waving. Hey, 50 Louisiana, 50 Louisiana, 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. I don't think he hears me. I talked to him this morning on the Unit Bearcat. So there's my main radio, the RCI 2980WX, and I'm running this one with it, the RM203P, and I got the fan there to cool down the heatsink. This one I used to have hooked up, I could hook up again, that's a 500 high drive Texas Star. And then I got another kicker right there, RM203P, they're good little boots. And that's a Texas Star 350 high drive, I've had it a long time. Try again. CQDX, 791, 791 Gulf Islands in the North Pacific, standing by. Tennessee. 141 Tennessee, you're the loudest one in there, man. You're slamming in here to the Radio Shack. We're waving at you from the Gulf Islands off the far Pacific coast of British Columbia, QSL.
971 QFY to 370. Drop down 5 to 370.
Okay, I'm on an old TRC 458 with a 5kc drop, so I'll go down as far as this one goes, and then you tune me in. It should go nearly 5kcs. I'll meet you down there. How about that Tennessee? How about it Tennessee? 791 Gulf Islands, standing by. We're doing good, buddy. You have to tune me in. This is as far as I go. Just about 5kcs. Probably not quite, but just about 5kcs. But yeah, you're loud, man. You're slamming in here. It's a pretty quiet day on the band. We got a little rain happening out here today. It's been pretty dry. So the rain is welcome. We need some rain out here. So don't have to water the garden today, QSL. Sounds like Mickey Mouse. Yeah, QSL, man, QSL. I can't tune you in anymore, so I got you in a Q5 signal, but you need to tune me in just a little bit more. I think you might be a little bit farther down than me, possibly, but I'm running a ground plane right now, a 5/8 wave Sigma Venom, and my old TRC 458 with an old school D104 QSL. Oh yeah, I can hear you, no problem. It's just that I need to tune you in just a tiny bit more. It sounds more Mickey Mouse-ish, but that's okay, man. I got you. You're pushing a good signal. And what were you running again? What was your antenna and your radio?
I'm on a 5/8 wave vertical and I'm like 2,000, about 32 feet up in the air, and an Anycomb quad 5N2 with about 300 whiskeys helping it out there, too.
That's pretty awesome, man. So we're talking ground plane to ground plane because I'm on a Sigma Venom 5/8 wave and just an old TRC 458. So it's working for you, man. You got good old school equipment there. It's sounding good, brother. It's sounding real good out this way, my friend. And like I say, Q5, we're a long way away from Tennessee out here on these islands off the Pacific coast of Canada, QSL.
Somebody out there. Yes, sir, you're correct. That is a good little trip there, Roger.
Yeah, you betcha, man. You betcha. It's a long way from Tennessee, so I'm just kind of, usually I'm outside in the garden working in the sunshine, but on a rainy day like this is a good hobby to have. I can stay inside nice and dry, but You know, I've been working a little skip on my unit in Bearcat 980, and I'm just kind of, you know, playing around with some of the different radios. So I decided to fire up this old TRC 458 just to make sure it's still working, QSL.
It's working. You're still a little off on me, but I can totally understand you. You know, it's doing just fine. Trying to slide between those channels. I should have thought about that when I said 370. I should have went somewhere else. But I wasn't thinking, so here we are there, Roger.
That's okay. This is supposed to be a 5kc slider. I don't know. I don't have my frequency counter hooked up to this one right now, so I think I'm probably just about 5kcs down, but not quite 5kcs down. But yeah, no, your radio's definitely pushing a good signal, man. You're put it this way, your audio's good. Like I say, I need to tune you in a little bit more, but I understand you 100%. And like I say, signal Q5 all the way from Tennessee. What part of Tennessee are you in? Are you in Nashville?
Yes, I am 15 miles south of Knoxville, Tennessee, and East Tennessee, QSL.
Okay, I talked to Foxman down there, UDX 362, and then I got a buddy I talked to, UDX 347 down there in Manchester, Tennessee, there, Dallas. So I got a few guys I talked to in that area, QSL.
Yeah, I can hear Dallas, but I cannot talk to him. I don't have enough horsepower to talk to Dallas ground wave, but I can hear him a lot of the times, you know, and he's got a strong station down there. That boy right there can get out.
Oh yeah, I think he's got like a 7-element or Yagi or something like. He got a big beam up there, and he's running some pretty good equipment. He usually just booms in here when he's pointed towards me. And then there's also Foxman, a UDX 362 in Knoxville, Tennessee.